Alhamdulillahi wahdah, wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah, wa ala alihi wa ashabihi alladhina awfu ahdah. A day of 6th September is famous as a Defense Day. What is the meaning of Defense Day? A day in which Pakistan Army proved they are so patriotic and they saved the nation at the risk of their own life. And inshallah, the whole nation will always remember this glorious day. Why do we discuss about the Defense Day? The nation who has to find destiny, they learn from the past and never forget. The nation who wants to see their self at the top of the moon, they never neglect their leadership and never forget those who have always been the well-wisher and hard worker. Most especially, our soldiers sacrificed their life and saved the homeland. With the passion and spirit, today we still hats off their braveness. Pakistan will remain prominent till the day of judgment in the map of the world as a shining star. And our nation will always miss our soldiers and remember their efforts and pray for them. We all should make commitment to ourselves. Either we belong to madrasa, school, college, university, and belong to any professional field such as businessman, sportsman, politicians, and lawyer, and anybody who belongs to any occupation. Inshallah, we will remain a rock for Pakistan, for any allies, and we will remain a unit, and everybody will do his every possible efforts for the betterment and for the peace. And any evil powers who have always been putting their efforts to destroy our land, we would definitely try to handle the situation peacefully. And as a last resort, we would definitely demonstrate our power, and we have to prove to the world we are the peaceful nation and we are so strong economically and strictly follow the teaching, the instructions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is why a country is called Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Any Pakistani who lives anywhere in the world, he feels proud to be a Pakistani. We all should keep ourselves away from these activities such as terrorism, making sects, cheating, and bad politics, and most especially giving and taking bribe, hush money, and also have to work on those who tell lie and spend their time to create problems for others. Then inshallah we could get success to create better atmosphere and opportunities for our youth, and we have to make a good image of our beloved country by our efforts around the world. And due to our motherland, any Pakistani who lives anywhere in all over the world would be considered as a good person. This is our humble request to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us see the right path and provide us passion and courage to create and make some positive change in our life according to the teaching of Islam. Islam Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.